Who gets more jealous in a relationship, men or women? It depends how much your partner loves you. If your partner truly loves you, can be jealous from nowhere, or to think you are cheating on her or you are cheating on him. So it's normal your partner always saying you are cheating on me, or to touch your phone, to search your phone. Yes, it's normal to people because you can be jealous, or your partner is talking to someone at phone maybe long time. So sometimes you can ask, who are you talking to at phone such a or at night? So it's very normal. So don't be angry your partner is asking you some of the questions. It depends. It's not about men or women. Men, they can be jealous. Women, they can be jealous because sometimes if you don't love that person too much, you saw your partner with another person, your partner doesn't have problem, or to ask you what's going on with that person, what you have to know that you can't be jealous to a person you don't love. Even you saw your partner with or a person, especially men are dating married women. Don't think that men loves you, because men are very jealous and say, oh, you told that person I have got a partner, I have got a problem, and say no problem, we can be in relationship if you have your partner, and that person doesn't have problem, or to have jealous. Because guys, to be jealous is very normal in relationship. To be jealous, to saw your partner with other men or with other people, women, it's very normal. Your partner got angry, so you have to know that person loves me. Because when you saw your partner doesn't have a problem, you are being informed, or you are with other people, doesn't have any problem with that, you have to know that person doesn't love you. Or you're talking with other women, doesn't have a problem. So sometimes it depends how much you love your partner. Sometimes you don't react or to say anything, but you can feel it, a jealous, like you can feel it, that why that person is always with those women. You can ask yourself. Sometimes you don't react very quickly, but you can feel it, that you have got pain in your heart. It depends how much you love a person, because if you don't love that person, you can't be jealous or to say anything. So don't be angry your partner is jealous of you, asking you questions. Why are you talking to a phone, always to be in phone? We understand who you talk to at phone at this midnight. That person loves you so much, so don't be angry.